Hi guys! Welcome to Champ's Japanese Kitchen! Today, I'm gonna make chicken nanban. It's a type of Japanese fried chicken with tangy tare and creamy tartar sauce. It's a very popular dish here in Japan. You can find in most Japanese izakayas. So, let's get cooking! So guys, do you remember the fried chicken recipe I did with Chris a while ago? Well, this fried chicken recipe is just as delicious and even easier to make. Mainly because Chris isn't here.
Okay, finished battering my fingers. We'll now put them in the oven and have them for dinner.
But don't tell him after that. So, we'll start off by making our tartar or tartar sauce. Take one hard-boiled egg and use a fork to mash it up. Add in 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of grated onion, and finally some diced pickles. You can add as much as you like, but for this recipe, I used 2 small pickles. I had some leftover pickled ginger in the fridge, so I added in as well. But feel free to leave it out. Next, we will make the tangy sauce. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Bring it to a boil, and remember, a good chef always tastes as they cook. Oishii! Thoroughly mix equal parts of potato or cornstarch and water and add to the sauce. This will help thicken the sauce like this. For the chicken, we'll use chicken breast. As it's quite thick, we will cut it into bite-sized pieces. Place in a Ziploc bag, to which we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, and finally 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix, and then add in 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of pastry or all-purpose flour, and 1 clove of grated garlic. Then give everything another mix. So now it's frying time! Usually, the chicken is deep fried, but since we are doing a healthy version, we will lightly shallow fry. To a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This will add a delicious aroma to the chicken. The sesame oil and garlic in the chicken will easily burn, so be careful. On medium heat, fry the chicken for 4 minutes and flip them over. If it looks like it's too hot or burning, lower the heat. After flipping over, fry for another 2 minutes. If you are worried about whether the chicken is cooked, I recommend using a cooking thermometer to check the inside. If it reads 65 degrees Celsius, it is ready. Turn the frying pan down to a low heat and add in the tangy sauce. Make sure each piece is coated in the sauce and then plate up. On top, pour the tartar sauce and chop the scallions. Okay guys, so chicken nanban is done. This tangy sauce smell is making me hungry. いただきます。 I've eaten many chicken nanban in izakaya, but this one is definitely the number one champion. Yeah, you have to try this at your home. And remember, after we eat, ごちそうさまでした!